I will proceed with prompt engineering to write a business proposal in a format suitable for government support projects by providing descriptions about the company introduction, startup purpose, and startup item. I will try to write a business proposal for government support using the prompt. I will use the chained prompt method, and in the first prompt, I will provide basic information for writing a business proposal. Let's look at the company introduction. AI Baker, an AI robotics startup, aims to revolutionize the bakery industry by automating the entire production process, from ingredient selection to packaging. This reduces labor costs and improves product quality, while offering online ordering and automatic inventory management. AI Baker's AI technology enhances productivity and maintains high manufacturing quality. The startup addresses challenges in the traditional bakery industry, such as initial high costs, franchise fees, and labor expenses, by introducing AI robotic patisserie. The rise of westernized food culture and increasing bakery demands presents an opportunity for AI Baker, which has a competitive edge with its experienced AI CTO and a decade of patisserie management experience. The goal is to rent out party robots and raw materials to franchise bakery owners or aspiring bakery entrepreneurs, solving industry problems and capitalizing on market opportunities. For our second project's business plan, we'll draft the problem recognition section, aiming to keep it under 1,000 characters. Entrepreneurs should identify market problems and the unique value they bring. Detail reasons for product development, key issues and market opportunities in the background, and necessity of the startup item. Highlight market needs, primary problems, and potential impacts based on past experiences, including examples for reference. Customer validation is crucial in setting the problem and target market and determining the customer value derived from your solution. Analyze the current market status and requirements, gathering customer feedback on existing products or services. Use this data to guide improvements in core functions, performance, and design. Finally, conduct a thorough market analysis considering size, growth, and competition to support your product verification process with objective evidence and competitive insights. And asking to expand the content of problem recognition and to write about the problem recognition part of the business plan. As you can see now, the government proposal provides this kind of report structure. We can write a government support project proposal with context information and templates. We'll proceed with this through the actual Chatgpt service. I've logged into Chatgpt. I'll provide the first context prompt. The context introduced the company, the purpose of the startup, the background and necessity of the startup item. I will provide the format information of the report we want to write based on this context information. I mentioned I will write the problem recognition part of the project business plan and provided the format information of the context report regarding problem recognition. Based on this information, I created the directive prompt as follows. Please expand on the content of problem recognition and write about the problem recognition part of this business plan. Thus, in the second prompt, I continued with the context to write the problem awareness part. As you can see now, depending on the template type we provided, we can see the result of writing a business plan based on our product and concept on how to solve the problem in the section called Problem Recognition. How did we proceed in this way? We used a chained prompt approach. First, we trained the artificial intelligence on information about our business item. Then, after defining the format of the business plan we wanted to write, we asked it to write according to that format. We looked at practical examples of writing government support business plans using the prompt model.